Hey everyone, it's Gray Walker here, and I am coming at you with a small tutorial about Cinema 4D, and we're going to be learning how to make a pretty cool wallpaper or a graphic. That's going to be similar to this graphic here. I just randomly came up with some words and letters. This doesn't mean anything. Just Madman Redemption, put some stuff in the back. So we're going to be remaking that today. Let's see what they said. So we're going to be remaking that today, and hopefully it is helpful. If you're not familiar with Cinema 4D, this is not the tutorial for you. If you are, then please watch, and I hope it's informative. If you just want to watch it and you're not familiar with Cinema 4D, then it should be fun. Anyway, so open up Cinema 4D, go into MoGraph text object. That'll give you some text. Change the alignment to middle. Change the text to, I won't do Madman. I won't do the same thing. Let's do like, performance is slow. Yeah, okay. Let's do, Murdoch Industries, because it sounds cool. Okay. Can't talk right now, Brian. Sorry about that. Let's use a different font. And I do want to apologize about this video being in 4:3 format. That is because I have a new monitor and my laptop monitor broke, so I'm having to use that. So I have a Daredevil font. It's actually from the movie Daredevil, and I used it with some other stuff from this wallpaper. As you can see, I used that. Hold on, let me tell Brian. Alright, this isn't a top quality tutorial. If you guys don't like it, just click out of here. I just wanted to put something up on the internet real quick. Okay, so basically the camera angle that we're going to be using is a preset camera angle. It's called Gentleman, and it basically gives you a it's kind of like a 45-degree angle on the y-axis. It's hard to explain. Anyway, just go to Cameras, Gentleman, and make the depth on your thing 60. Make it like 70. 70 good? Yeah, make it like 65. And if you don't want to use that font, just whatever. Just do whatever you want to. And horizontal spacing, you'll see here. Why did my mouse just screw up? Alright guys, sorry about that. My computer had a little RAM problem. But I am back, and hopefully everything is recording just fine, like it was. Okay, so we are back, and we have our Murdoch Industries, everything. We're going to go to our horizontal spacing and turn this up to 35. Okay, so let's zoom out of there. And now what we're going to do is click on your text object that you have and Control-C, Control-V. And we just duplicated our object, and what we're going to want to do now is go to the object, turn the depth down. Let's go back into our perspective camera so we know what's going on. We want to turn our depth down to like 20, and then just drag it off so there's no interlacing. And then what we're going to do is double click and then double click again. We just made two materials. One we're going to turn red, and we're going to go to editor here, and we're going to turn off luminance. We're going to turn off everything but color, and then we're going to go to the brightness here and make this just basically just type a bunch of numbers until you can't anymore. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Editor, turn off all the diffusions, everything, and the color, just add a bunch of zeros, or nines or whatever, and make the color on this, whoops, Make it something like that. That's good. So drag that color here, and then drag your red here. Let's go into Gentleman and see how this turns out. It's probably not going to be perfect. Actually, let's add a light and drag that up here. And we have to be in perspective to drag things forward and backward. That's just how it's kind of set up. Drag it over here, put it somewhere good. Go back into Gentleman. And let's render this out, see how that looks. So that looks pretty good. Let's go into our material here and turn our brightness up even more. And then re-render that, see if that looks good. So it's looking really good in my opinion. What does it need? What does it need? We need it to be metal instead of plastic, I think. Yeah, that looks definitely better. If you guys can mess around with that and everything. But basically what we're going to do next is select your larger text object, the first one that we made, Control-C, Control-V to duplicate it. Change the text to something like redemption or revenge or avengement or something that would go along with it. You guys can fill in the text whenever you want, but just for tutorial's sake, I'm going to type in redemption. And a great font that I suggest that you guys should get is Bebus, and it is easily my favorite font in all of my fonts, and I have like 600,000. So drag that down, give that a normal old material, turn the depth down on it, and that looks pretty cool to me. If you want to, you can go kind of crazy and add a floor, and then rotate that floor, and then move that floor out of the way, and experiment with that, and kind of give that maybe a different material. Maybe give it something like this. So that's a really good way to make a very simple but cool looking background. You guys can tweak with it all you want and get some pretty cool stuff. This is basic typography, just making small things with type. Sorry, I can't talk very well, but just making small typography things, and to make title cards and everything. So that's a basic tutorial, guys. More videos coming soon. As soon as I get some time from preparing for school, and school's coming for me pretty soon, the 25th. That's actually 11 days from now. So time will get spread thin, but I will try to supply you guys with some new content. I hope this video was informative. And if you want to talk to me, add me on Skype, same username as YouTube. I really enjoy having 400 subscribers. This is my 400 subscribers video. I know it's not that great, but thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I hope I am a help, and I hope I can enlighten your subscription box a little bit more each day. So thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you all later on.